when I ride a bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
One time. Spot to be. Lego.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Coach Reen, aka Coach Mean Reen, aka Reen the Consistency Queen. And welcome back to my channel. If you like what you see today, please subscribe to the channel, click like, share the video. Please help me grow. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And I've been consistent with content. I've been traveling quite a bit, so you'll see that there are quite a few videos of me traveling. However, the videos are all travel to Jamaica. Because the Lord has blessed me this year. The Lord has blessed me with 2 trips to Jamaica, one in May and one in June. I love Jamaica, as you will get to know as you watch my channel over the years. I absolutely love Jamaica. My family is from Jamaica, and I love going there. I love the vibe. I love the people. Anywho, the other thing you'll learn about me is your girl likes to stall when I gotta go to the gym. And I don't have a lot of time because, like I said, it's a holiday, right? And I'm going to Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness is gonna close in a little over half an hour. But I really just want to do some cardio. I don't have a lot of time, but I have enough time, if that makes sense. I'm gonna do 30 minutes of cardio, and then that's it. Then I gotta go home. I have to make some macaroni and cheese, some beans. We're having, I think a few people are coming over today for Thanksgiving, for whatever. What's this? Before. Hi, how are you? Where the hell is it? It's been a little while. Thank you. I'm going to show you guys the machine I use for cardio. If you've watched, I have other fit vlogs on here where I showed this machine before. But I'm going to show you guys right now. You want to see? Okay. It's probably music playing. I have my headphones on. This is the art trainer. If you come into any Planet Fitness, look for this. If they don't have this machine, leave. The elliptical is cool. All that other stuff is cool. The art trainer is the best cardio machine in the universe. Fight me. If you've gotten on the art trainer and after 5 minutes you got right off, that's why it's the best. It's gonna challenge you. But anyway, I don't got a lot of time, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to get on the machine, what to do when you get on it, and then I'm gonna get to work. So once you're on, you start pedaling, press go, bam. What I do is I increase my stride all the way up to 20 on that side, and then my level, I increase that all the way. I start at 20, and then I change this side. I change the resistance throughout my workout. I'm gonna do 30 minutes today, and that's it. This works your entire body, your core, your booty, your arms, your heart. It's a beautiful thing. All right, I'm gonna get to work. And I'll holler at you guys. I'll show you guys the finished result. Praise God. Simon says, put your hands on your... Simon says, put your hands on your knees, hey. Done. Look, I haven't done that. Hold on. I haven't done this arc trainer in like, I don't know, since before I went to Jamaica. So that's like over a month. And I still was able to burn 500 calories in 30 minutes. Woo, child. But I can't remember where I left off. I think I was in the 600 or something like that. But that's not true. When you gonna get on it? That would be nice, right? You hear that? I'm still washing my hair. Okay, that's like really annoying. If they don't have soap, let me tell you something about this hood ass. This is probably the most hood one I've ever been to in my life. It's 12 o'clock, alright.
It's closed. That's what, oh, you know that?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay. I've never been here on closing when they've done that before.
I always come late and they lean on the horn, and I'm like, yo.
I've never had that happen before. This is crazy.
Like, alright, sir.
Oh, my nose, damn.
Glad I'm filming this so you guys can hear. You hear this noise?
I'll bring that.
You too. They turned it off now. That's how long that shit was on. I mean, I guess people don't know how to leave the gym when it's closed. When they say it's like when it's closing time. But that was a tiny bit obnoxious. What do you think? Anywho, I had a great workout. That was really good. Let me take out these. What I was doing before I went to Jamaica, like all April, May, I will come to the gym after my workouts. So if you're new here and you're still watching, I do live Zoom workouts on every Monday through Thursday. So the workout's about an hour long. I play really, really good music and I work you out. We do all kinds of workouts. We work out with weights, we work out with booty bands, we work out with step, we work out doing a little kick, like cardio kickboxing. I mix it up, and I do that Monday through Thursday. Each day has a different focus. So on Monday, the focus is abs. Tuesday, the focus is upper body. Wednesday, the focus is lower body. And Thursday is a full body, no equipment workout. So if you don't have equipment, you can work out. If you're new to working out, you can do it. I encourage you all the way. I actually do all of the workouts with you. I'll scream, I'll yell, I'll crack a few jokes. You know, it's a good time. I'm a little crazy, but it's a good time, and you don't have to leave your house. All you got to do is just create a little space in your house, and we work out. So if that's something you want to do, if that's something you're thinking about doing, let's go. You know, I just zoned out a little bit. I be thinking about, like, all my dreams, like what I want to do. And sometimes I'm like, am I going to get there? Like, because I know I'm talented. I know I have the drive. I know that I have a knack for things. When I look back on my life, I look at all of like the little challenges and things that I've been through. And I look at how I was able to like create something out of nothing and pull a team together. Like, everyone that knows me, if you're watching this, I used to do plays. Like, back in the day, I worked in a school. I was a counselor in school, and I did plays. Like, literally started the plays by adapting popular plays and making it more like kid-friendly, hip-hop friendly, whatever. Like, I did The Wizard of Oz. I rewrote the script. Like, kept the same summary, same synopsis, but rewrote it. And the kids that flock towards drama, like, sometimes they were the kids that people counted out. And they would go on that stage and shine. And then when people saw like the hard work I was putting in and the dedication, like the community at the school jumped in. So we had parents jump in that were like, that could definitely be like interior designers, could be set designers, because they came up with the most beautiful things out of cardboard. Like, they made, oh my God, I wish I was into filming, because the things that they did were incredible. It was really a good time. So anyway, I did that, and I could easily work on Broadway. I could easily be like a creative producer or a producer, because I have a knack for things. But it's like, in my dream, like in a dream world, I would do fitness, do production, do plays, like do it all. Because I love that stuff. Like, I love the arts. When I'm in that element, I do my best work. But then I think about, like, am I ever going to get where I want to be? And it's okay to have that question sometimes. Like, you know how they say, oh, don't speak positivity over your life. Yes, I definitely believe that I can get there, and I actually see it for myself. But then I have to be real. Like, everybody has that moment of like, will I ever get there? Is this going to happen for me? It doesn't mean I'm going to quit. It doesn't mean I'm going to stop. It's just that thought. And it's okay to have that thought. It's okay to think about that. It's okay to talk about that, but not quit. I still believe in myself. As you can see, I'm still filming. I'm filming this. I'm talking about it. But it's just something that I think about. It's something that, yeah, it's just something I think about. I think about, do you guys, like, honestly, do you ever have that thought? Like, will I be enough? Will I make it to where I want to be? Will my dreams come true? These are real conversations, and it's okay to, you know, have that thought. It's okay to think about that. It doesn't mean that you give up. It doesn't mean when times get hard, you give up. It's, you know, it's like a moment. It's like, dang, will my dreams ever come true? But then I know it will. I know it will. I know I'm talented. Like, and I don't mean that like in a vain sense, but if you ever do one of my classes, and you got to understand, like, appreciate the fact that I'm doing these classes live. This is what made me say there's something special about me. Like, I even sit back and I'm like, Dad, like, Shireen, you do these classes every day. Monday through Thursday, I'm doing these live classes, okay? And people are like, oh, okay, you do your class at 7, so I can meet you at 6, so I can do something with you. Every day, there's prep. My husband knows. He sees the whole process, and he knows, and that's why I love that man so much, because he supports me. Like, he allows me to be me. He's not harassing me and stuff. He's like, all right, babe, go ahead, go do your thing. You know what I mean? I know you're doing your class, da-da-da-da-da. So, Monday through Thursday. And I've been doing this almost, in October it'll be 3 years. I do a live class, different music every day of the week. Like, I don't play like the same songs every day. I might, repeat songs, on Mondays or on Tuesdays or whatever. But week to week, day, like throughout the week, it's different playlists every day, right? Different workouts every day. Live. I'm doing the workout with you. I'm also teaching. I'm also encouraging throughout the workout, right? I'm doing it with you. I'm teaching you. I'm pushing you throughout the workout. And I've been doing these classes steadily throughout the years for 3 years. And people, well, almost 3 years. And I have clients. Like, I have clients that are very dedicated. But I want to reach the masses with these classes. And then I'm like, that's where I'm like, how? How can I reach the masses? Is it through social media? Is it through promotion? I don't know. That's the part that really, I don't know. I don't know how to do that. Like, when I look at the impact and what I've been able to do, I'm like, wow. And then when I think about, things I've done in the past and how I've been able to make a huge impact in people's lives, there's something special there. That's my gift. And I want to make sure that in this lifetime, I'm using that gift to the best of my ability. And I'm doing what I have to do. Please don't say nothing to me. Please keep it moving. Thank you very much. What is he looking at? Ooh. Lord, see, look, I'm talking about using my gift. And but anyway, let me go. I'm sorry I'm yelling. I gotta go home. I'm gonna go cook. We're gonna have a small barbecue. I think Albie's dad is coming. I think his brother, his cousin. It's not like a big barbecue. We have a grill. We have a backyard, so they're gonna come over. I'm gonna cook a little something, nothing too crazy, and we're gonna eat and chill. So let me go home and do that, and I'll holler at you guys later.